Hi everyone, it's Gary Nicholson here for the Mountain Weather Information Service. This is your Planning Outlook video updated on Tuesday the 24th of April. And it's classic April showers that will be in the forecast for the next couple of days ahead. Things becoming rather complicated into the weekend as a slower moving area of low pressure is around. Overall, it's on the chilly side. We'll see snow frequently on the Scottish Munros, maybe lower down than that at times. And it stays a rather unsettled outlook, I think, even into the start of May. Let's start off with a look at temperatures, and this is that constant pressure chart. It's the 850 millibar level, which corresponds the nearest we've got to about the height of the highest tops in Scotland. This is through the next few days then, and temperatures at that level around -1 at -2. Slight diurnal lifting of temperature perhaps towards 0 on the higher tops, but overall it stays cold over the next few days. Freezing levels down as low as 800 or 900 metres, maybe briefly lower than that, particularly as showers come through. As we go through towards the weekend, not a great deal changes really in that general air mass. Temperatures stay around or just below freezing point on the higher tops, and only just above freezing on the higher terrain in England and Wales throughout this time. This is through the weekend into the start of next week, and at that point we might just draw something in from the northeast, which could just drop the freezing level a touch lower for a period. Low confidence of that for now, but either way it looks a chilly outlook as we end the month and even starting May. All things relative, of course, nothing too unusual to be around freezing point at this time of year on those higher mountains, but certainly a little bit colder than what we've just seen in the past week or so. These are the charts then for the next few days, and here's Wednesday, a westerly airstream across the country, wind speeds on higher tops around 20 to 30 miles per hour, just tending to strengthen as the day goes on. A classic April showers day really, where sunny spells are most extensive in the morning and shower clouds are then becoming more widespread through into the afternoon. Coastal areas will tend to see the fewest showers as we get into the afternoon. The showers generally in inland areas, but pretty extensive. Some snow, some hail, and the chance of an isolated rumble of thunder. The snow coming down to quite low levels, around 500 or 600 metres. You may see some snow falling, hail getting down to practically sea level at times as well. A similar story through into Thursday. Again, some heavy showers, these getting going increasingly through the day. Almost everywhere we'll see that risk through the day on Thursday. Maybe fewer of them across Wales, just as a bit of high cloud and some stabilisation comes in ahead of this feature coming in from the southwest. And that's one of the complications as we head into the weekend. Thursday then, quite a blustery day. Again, that cold feel, wind speeds on higher tops 20-30 miles per hour, or occasionally gusts that are stronger. Now, I said that feature towards the south has complications. Friday has low confidence across England and Wales. Exactly what that low does is uncertain. Across Scotland, it looks as though we're into fairly slack pressure. Still, the atmosphere unstable enough to produce areas of showers. These moving around quite slowly, though, so a real hit and miss day, I think, for Friday. Locally, you could get showers, again, snow and hail, lasting for an hour or more, but you could avoid them altogether. Just depends on where you are. For England and Wales, though, the risk of something pivoting around that area of low pressure that gives something a bit more organised for rain and low cloud. I think keep an eye on your details for that one, though. It could be a fairly pessimistic day, but a chance that it's still only just areas of showers moving around slowly. It does look like lighter winds, though, for a spell through Friday into Saturday, all becoming quite slack. Really low confidence of this chart. This is what we've got at the moment for Saturday. Fronts and low pressure basically towards the south. It could just be there's areas of showers, maybe some more organised rain and a bit of snow on the very highest tops at times. If anything, Scotland perhaps stays in that similar regime of just some local slow-moving showers, similar to Friday. But I think, again, just keep a very close eye on the details by this time. No guarantee that the chart looks exactly like that. That low to the south could have much more influence on the British Isles. And that low confidence this weekend doesn't leave us with much to work with, really, as we go through into next week, apart from to say it looks like it stays mixed and it stays fairly unsettled into the start of May. This is just running the charts through the weekend. That's through into Sunday. Low pressure seems to be towards the south, if anything drawing the wind flow as an east or a northeasterly. Areas of showers still around, and detail a little bit uncertain to get any local info out of it at this stage. Briefly, higher pressure may try and nose in from the west, but looking at the colours on this chart, which represents temperatures in the middle layers of the atmosphere, and we stay under a trough, then that means essentially we're into fairly unsettled conditions as we go into next week. It looks as though we try to go back to something coming in off the Atlantic as a westerly flow. So I think the idea of sunshine showers, maybe some longer periods of rain, still some sleet and snow on the mountains and some hail mixed in if it is a showery picture once again. And that may well be the theme for the early few days of May. That's about all we've got for the time being. No immediate return to anything dry or warm in the near future, it looks like. We'll have the latest video updated for you on Friday, and we'll try and pin down details heading towards that May Day weekend in that video. Thanks for watching today, and bye for now.